All right, now we're going to talk about our machine cap. It's a little different. It doesn't have bolts that brings two pieces together. It's got pinch bolts that come in from the side. Now these pinch bolts are 3/16 Allen, and you just tighten them until they're nice and tight. You know, they may loosen up a little bit over time as you're pumping the system, but then if you keep tightening them, eventually they'll get to the point where they don't need to be tightened anymore. There's 4 of them around the circumference of the cap. The next is the split flange. Split flange uses a 1/4" Allen, and there are a total of 4 bolts. There's a pinch bolt on the side. Make sure you tighten this one first. It can take a lot of torque, so go ahead and tighten it really good. You don't want this to slip down as you use the system. And then you can tighten the 3 on top. Next would be making sure that the handle bracket is firmly connected to the pump head, and this is 3/16 also. And there's 4 bolts, so you'll want to make sure that these are nice and tight. And then lastly, you'll want to make sure that this pump rod is tight to the clevis. Now this is left-hand threads, so you're going to go the opposite direction that you would typically go to tighten. So you're going to go counterclockwise versus clockwise. And that's it. Those are all the fasteners that you'll want to maintain on the top of your simple pump to make sure that it continues to work as expected.